Hello and welcome to a new GreenStuffWorld video. I'm Joe Skynet, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add LEDs to your miniatures. We're going to add LEDs to the energy ball and also to the energy on the base. For this we're going to use a battery holder which will fit into the special base we've made for it. And we're going to be using these 2mm LEDs with the help of the Conductive Paint. Starting with the energy ball and using a hand drill with a 2mm bit, we're going to drill the hole where we're going to fit the LED. We strip the wires with a lot of care. And we fix it in place with a bit of super glue. And with the help of a bit of CA activator, we fix it in place. And now we stick the two wires down to the energy ball in a way that the exposed part of the wire is in contact with the model. And now we try a quick test fit on the miniature to see in what points it contacts the figure to let us know where to apply the conductive paint. And now using the conductive paint, we're going to start two connections running down from his hands to the feet on either side. I apply it abundantly to give the line a bit of thickness. This way we'll do the connection between the energy ball and the figure. And now to continue the connection towards the batteries, we paint the base starting from the point where the feet of the figure make contact with it. And we take those connections to the underside of the base. Okay, and once the conductive paint is dried, we test with the battery to see if all the connections are okay. If the connection at the end of the base isn't working, start moving the cables towards the light to see up until where the connection is okay, and repaint with the conductive paint from that point downwards. Okay, and once we've tested that all the connections are working properly, we can move on to painting the miniature as we normally do, but not before masking up the connection points. This is very important, for when we finish the miniature, we can remove those masks and have the connection points exposed. Here you can see how I've left the connection points exposed on the base. And now we're going to continue adding the rest of the LEDs to the base. In then the parts of the blue energy we're going to use the white LEDs, and on the rest of the energy we're going to use the red ones. And once we've placed all the LEDs on the base, we're going to start joining and connecting all the cables. First we connect all the positive cables together, and then we do the same for the negative ones. And we repeat this process for the red LEDs as well. Now that the base is ready, we're going to stick the miniature to the base. Testing that the light is still working, we glue the miniature in place. Now we're going to glue the battery holder to the base. That is where we're going to connect all the wires. We've made a small hole on the base, which is where we're going to pass all the wires through. And once we've passed all the wires, all we have to do is connect all the positive wires to the red wire coming out of the battery holder, and all the rest of the wires to the black wire of the battery holder. To seal the connections, we can use these small heat shrink tubes. And before totally sealing up the base, we test once more that all the LEDs are working. All that's left is to seal the base, and for that we're going to use a bit of BluTack or similar to fix all the cables in place. Okay, and this is what it looks like once we've sealed up the base. This battery holder fitted in this base, but if you have a smaller base you can use these other mechanisms that are smaller. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed the process and may it help you add a few lights to your miniatures. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, bye!